From that day on, Orion becomes the person who helps Kai get closer to someone else. He gives advice. He listens. He even encourages Kai to confess. Every word feels like a knife, but he still smiles. Because Kai is happy. And that should be enough, right? Soon, Kai starts dating the girl. At first, everything seems perfect. But for Orion, everything falls apart. Seeing them together hurts more than he expected. So he slowly begins to disappear. He replies later. He stops waiting after school. He avoids places they used to go together. Not because he doesn't care anymore, but because he cares too much. Even then, he still misses Kai. Every single day.